Welcome back to my new video. One of my customers gave me this phone this morning and she told me that this phone is not working, and I asked her what is the problem of the phone, and she told me that the button is the problem, that the button is not clicking very well, and I told her don't worry, I will fix it for you. So first of all, I collected her the phone and put battery and on the phone. So let me click the button now so that you guys can see that the button is not working. So the button is not working. It's not working at all. Let me try to unlock if I'll be able to unlock. Okay, I've been able to unlock, but other buttons are not working, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 star hash. They are not working. So let me remove the battery and remove all the bolts. So let me bring my screwdriver. So this is my star screwdriver. So let me take time to do this, guys. Engineers, like I said, do not rush. Always take time to do your customer phone so that your customer will enjoy your work. So I take my time to do the phone because I want my customer to enjoy my work. So take your time to do it. Remove all the bolts. Remove all the bolts. It's very simple to do this, guys. It's not going to take much of your time. So take your time to remove all the bolts. And you are done now. The next thing is for you to carefully open the phone. Engineers, you can use phone opener, but for me, I like using my nails. That's for me, but for you, I recommend you use phone opener, right? So carefully remove the buttons here. Carefully do this, guys, because any mistake you do can even spoil the phone. So carefully do everything here. So let me remove this. Very, very important, so that I'll be able to fix the phone button. So take your time to do this, guys. Do not rush. So first thing, guys, let me zoom. Let me bring the phone closer so you can see. Right here, you can see there are some rows here. There are some doors, rows. And this is one of the causes of why this phone is not clicking very well. Here, some buttons are hanging. So first of all, use your brush to clean it very well. Take your time to do this. Use your brush to clean it very well. Engineers, take your time to do this. Clean it very, very well. Make sure that you take your time to do this so that the keypad button will be very clean. Let me bring the phone closer for you to see. Now you can see that it is very clean, but I will use my paste. You may ask, Father Joe, why are you using your paste? Let me quickly explain why I want to use paste for this. If you check the panel very well, you will see that there are some leftover gums, dust, and dirt, and other things. So when I use my paste now, the paste will be able to clean the gums and other things, right? So the paste will help a lot and also helps the leftover gum to be removed easily. Engineers, please take time to do the work so that your customer will enjoy your work. Check this out. It's better than the way it was before. Check this out. It's good. It's better than the way it was before. So engineers, you can use this to clean the button also. So first of all, I will use the wet one. So let me open the wet one. You may ask, Father Joe, where do you get this? This is available in touchpad if you buy new, or you can just go and buy this thing new directly. So use it to clean, or you can use clothes, but make sure that the cloth is clean. So take your time to do this, guys. Take time to do this so that you can do your customer phone very clean and neat, and your customer will enjoy your work. So take time to do this, guys. Look at the way I'm doing my own. Take time to clean it. And when you're cleaning it, engineers, please be very, very careful with the resistors, the IC that you're seeing on top of this panel. Be very, very careful. And guys, you can use something to remove the leftover gum, the strong one. So you can see I use my picker to remove it. Can you see? Okay, be very, very careful when you're doing your own. Be very, very careful, please. Be very, very careful. I'm begging you, be very, very careful so that you will not spoil the phone. Take your time to do this. It's not a rushing work, guys. Take time to do this, like the way that you're seeing me doing my own. Take time to do this, guys. Take time to do it. As you can see, I'm done already. So let me clean the button very well. Can you see? Let me take my time to clean it. It's very simple, guys. Nothing to waste time. It's very simple. So I'm taking time to clean it. Engineers, please take time to clean your own so that your customer will enjoy your work. Now you can see it's clean now. It's better than the way it was before. So let me use the dry one and still clean it because I want my work to be very, very good. So let me use the dry one and still clean it. So check this out. I've cleaned it again because I want my work to be very, very good. I want my customer to enjoy my work. I like taking my time to do my work. Okay, now let me put battery to test it. I want to be sure that the button works. So let me use my picker to on the phone. Now it's on now. Okay, so let me check. You can see the button is working now. It's working now. The button is working now. The button is working now. Okay, so let me test other button like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 5 is working. 6 is working. 7 is working. 8 is working. 9 is working. Star is working. 0 is working. Hash is not working. Wow, something is wrong with the hash. Hash is not working, engineers. Hash is not working. Okay, first of all, I will use my multimeter to check where the problem is coming from, whether it's not reading or something is wrong. So let me bring in my multimeter. So this is my multimeter now, and let me test it with my multimeter. Yes, I want to be sure where the problem is coming from, whether it's not reading at all or something is wrong. Engineers, please listen to me. Before you can be able to test this, you need to make sure that you place the positive or your multimeter appropriate to the ground and the negative to where you're going to test. So right here, let me test the positive of the button. You can see the positive is not working, but the negative is working. Check this out. The positive is not working, but the negative is working. So there is an open circuit. There is a cut somewhere that is stopping the button not to respond. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do a jumper. I'm going to do a jumper, guys. I'm going to do a jumper so that I will fix this issue. Before I show you guys where to jump, let me put battery now and on the phone and use my picker to test and know the button that will respond and work the hash before I now do jumper. So first of all, I turn on the phone. Okay, so let me look for a button that will respond. So I'll click the button negative and go to 0 positive button. Can you see it's working now? It's working. So let me show you guys how to fix it. So right here, I'm going to do a jumper. Let me remove battery now. I'm going to do a jumper to fix this issue. Before you start the process, engineers, please listen to me. You need a sodium paste. So let me apply sodium paste now. So this is my sodium paste. So let me apply sodium paste now because I want my work to be very smooth so that the lead can easily connect with the button. So check this out. So apply lead now. So let me bring my sodium ion and I apply a little lead in the positive of the button. Then I'll also apply in the 0 positive. So check this out. So now this is my jumper wire. Guys, you're going to use a very tiny small jumper wire for this process. Engineers, please take your time to do this. Do not rush, take your time to do this. So let me lead now. Let me show you how to lead it. Please take your time to apply lead. Check this out. Take your time to apply the lead. Take your time to do this. Please, when you're leading, allow your lead to be flat. Please take your time to do this. Let me apply lead on the negative too. So you may ask, Father Joe, why do you want to apply lead on the negative of the button? I want to apply lead on the negative of the button so that whenever I'm done and I put the clicker will now click very well, right? Don't worry, I will show you later what I mean. So let me apply lead on the negative. Engineers, take your time to do this. Please, the lead or the negative should be bigger than the lead on the positive. The one you just laid the jumper. If not, it will not click very well. Engineers, please do the same to the hash button. Let me zoom for you to see. Check this out. Can you see that the lead on the negative of the 0 button is higher than the positive? So now let me bring tape. Check this out. So you may ask, Father Joe, why do you use tape? I'm using tape because I want to block the negative not to have any connection with the positive. You may ask or you may say, Father Joe, the jumper wire are insulated. I'm doing this because I don't want this to have any issue in the future. I want to do once and for all fixing, right? So make sure you put tape like this. Put tape like this. Take your time to do it, guys. Make sure that your jumper wire is on top of the tape because I don't want it to have any connection with the negative, right? I don't want it to have any connection with the negative. The next thing is for you to bring another tape and put it on top, right? This will block not to allow the clicker to touch with the positive and the negative. You may ask, Father Joe, you're supposed to use under the panel. Under the panel is not working. If you check the positive of this button, you will notice that small hole, the rust have spoiled that small hole. So there's no way that it will work. So this is the best method for now that I normally use and it works. It works without complaint. Engineers, I will do the same to this hash button. Now look, I'll first of all lead it. I'll take my time to do this, guys. I'll first of all lead it. I'll take my time to do because I don't want any complaints from my customer. You can see it's not leading well. Don't know what's wrong. It's not speaking very well. Let me confirm it. You can see it's not leading very well. So let me put lead. Let me put lead on the jumper wire. Let me put lead on the jumper wire. Okay. Let me lead it now. Okay. This time around, it is 100% guarantee that it will lead. Engineers always do this so that you can do your work very clean. Now you can see it's leading very clean now. You can see it's connected. It's connected very normal now. So if you check under, you see that the negative is not full here. So I will not put the tape under. I'll put the tape on top, right? So let me put the tape now. Okay, let me bring the tape. I'm cutting the tape now. Okay, let me put the tape now. So check this out. So I'm done. Engineers, I'm done already, I'm done. So this is 100% guarantee that it will work. It will work without complaint. I've been doing this method and it works without complaint. You may ask, Father Joe, this will not click as normal clicking button. Don't worry, it will work very normal. It will click very normal, like normal clicking button. Okay, so let me test now. I want to read now and be sure that it reads. First of all, set your multimeter to continuity. If you check my multimeter, you'll see that my multimeter is set to continuity. And take your positive of your multimeter probe to the ground, which is the negative. Then negative of your multimeter probe to the positive of the button, can see now it's reading. And if you read the negative of the button, it's also reading. You read this one is reading. You read this one is reading. So it's not breaching. Nothing is shorting. It's working now. So the next thing is for me to turn on the phone. Let me turn on the phone now and show you guys whether it works or not working. So let me turn on the phone and show you whether it works or not working. Okay. So let me press 0 now. 0 is working. You can see 0 is working. So let me press the hash. Hash is working. So I'm done now. I'm done now. Okay. So let me put the clicker now. I'm done. Okay. So you're going to use gum. You're going to use this gum. But there are other gums, but for me, I like using this one. So you can use this one, or you can use any other gum that you have. But I recommend this one. So make sure you clean this flex, this button, something. Make sure you clean it very well. Take your time to clean it. The main reason why I want you to clean it, so that in case there is any leftover water or something else that will stop the button not to work. Put the gum this way. Take your time to do this, engineers. Take your time to do this, please. Take your time to do this. Take time to do this, engineers. Please, it's not a rushing work. Take time to do this. Engineers, please take time to do this so that your customer will enjoy your work. Take time to do this. Okay, I'm done now. So let me put in the clicker. Let me put in the clicker now. Okay. So engineers, check this out. Check the one putting the gum. Check the one putting the gum. So here we go. Make sure you set it very well. You set it very well. Engineers, make sure you set it very, very well. Set it very, very well. After putting these buttons, make sure you alert it for some minutes. Either 1 minute is okay or 2 minutes is okay. 1 minute or 2 minutes is okay. Right, you can see that the button is clicking. The 0 button is clicking very normal. Even this one also is clicking very normal. You can see it's clicking very normal. So it's not strong. It's not strong. It's clicking very normal, as if nothing was done. So now let me put battery and on the phone and test it for you guys. Let me on the phone and test it for you guys to see. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, star, 0, hash, 0, star, 3. All of them is working, guys. So this is 100% done. So let me fix the phone now. It's 100% done, guys. Let me fix the phone now. Let me fix the phone. The owner is sitting down waiting for me. So let me rush up and give it to the owner. I'm done. I'm done already, guys. I'm done. Let me put battery again and confirm it. I want to confirm whether it's still working now. Let me confirm for you guys to see that it's 100% working. It's 100% working. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, yes, and hash, 0 and hash. So all of the buttons are working now. It's working. All of the buttons are working. So it's perfectly working, guys. So make sure you like, comment, share, follow me for more videos. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Love you all.